What'd you say?
Go.
Who?
Go in the water.
You want Mommy to go in the water? Is it
Yeah.
my turn? Okay, ready,
Go.
set.
Go.
That's so much fun!
Let me run over here.
All the way over here? Okay. Okay, ready? I touched the fence. Now what?
Go.
Go again? I'm going backwards. Woo! Oh, be careful. I don't want you to fall. You go forward. You're so funny, Zachary. Do you like playing in the puddles? Do you like playing in the
Let me go.
Do you like playing in the puddles?
Mommy, you go.
Do you want me to run?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set,
Go.
go. Touch the
Mom.
fence.
Go.
All right.